Hi guys, Professor Alvaro here at Jiu Jitsu NYC with Coach Morgan, Astoria Barbell Club, and he's going to take us through one of his workouts.
Alright guys, today we're going to work a bird dog kickback. We're going to start off down on all fours. Knees are going to be slightly elevated off the ground. Back is flat, toes are secure, and the fingers are out. For 30 seconds, I'm going to fully extend out on one side, making sure I fully extend out my knee. Then 30 seconds on the other side, making sure that I stay low and fully extending out my knee. My athletes will start performing 30 seconds. The left leg is going to kick back, the right leg is going to stay in. 3, 2, 1, go. You'll see our athletes fully extending out. Elbows are by their chest. They're strong. They're tall. 15 seconds left on this left leg. Great job, guys. 5 seconds. And switch. Right. 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 Great job, guys. Kick it straight, not high. Knees stay low to the ground. Great job keeping your hands by your chest, guys. 10 seconds left on the bird dog kick back. 5. Kick low, straight.